Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking, actually, in this series, I'm going to be talking to you about 10 things I wish I knew before starting my internet business, or 10 things I wish I knew somebody had told me before I got online. Now, if you are interested in this, stay tuned. In the next couple of days, I'll be sending you a few minutes videos in about 5 to 10 minutes each, just to tell you the things that you should look out for before you start your online business or your internet business. And also, the most important thing is we learn from other people's mistakes, and these will point out some of the mistakes I made before I started online, and so you can learn from it, and hopefully you get to avoid them, and hopefully you get to make profits quicker in your business. Stay tuned. God bless. Bye. When I started, my story goes, when I started my online business, for 4 years, almost 4 to 6 years, I wasn't making any money. I started in 2010 and I went to full time, and I didn't make any money at all, purely because of two things. My mindset was in the wrong place, and I was doing the wrong actions, and I kept doing the wrong things over and over. I was actually looking for the quick fix button, and I bought so many of these software that didn't actually make me any money at all. And when I stopped buying softwares and started focusing on certain things, I was just focusing on the wrong things and looking for the cheapest way out. Is either you get a coach that you pay for, or somebody that's willing to show you the ropes. You've got to get a coach. Now, when I started in 2010, I didn't make any money at all for a very long time. 4 to 5 years, almost 6 years, I wasn't making money. Now, I had to quit the industry after 4 years and go get a job. And when I got a job, I had enough money to invest back into the business. And that's the danger, is because if you're not making money now, you will be forced to go get a job so you can actually pay for your business. And which, there's nothing wrong with that. That's what I should have done in the first place. However, when I started making the money, I started reinvesting back into my education. So one of the things I did when I started making money online was to get a coach. That was the first time I actually hired a coach. I never hired a coach. So I started making some money 2016. I was doing okay up until maybe a year later, and I thought, you know what, I'm actually going to consider taking a coach. So I took the first coach, a friend of mine who opted to teach me some things to do. And once I was doing those things, I started making a little bit of money. My income increased just a tiny bit. But I thought, for me to get more results, I really should pay somebody enough money for them to teach me, to exchange value. It's just an exchange of value. You've got the value of the information, I've got the money. I will pay you, and then you teach me what you know. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So I paid this guy, awesome coach, and the guy actually helped me a lot. Now, he helped me launch my first coaching program, and that was amazing. And the same month, I actually replaced my coaching fee, and the next month I started getting more clients, and that's when my income actually, I more than increased a bit more than what I was making in my full-time job. So the most important thing is to get a coach. Once you get a coach, or somebody that is willing to show you what to do, what tends to happen is that you tend to find your way around very easily. You navigate through the noise without having to be lagged or dragged behind. Because today, a lot of people are dragged behind because they are getting the wrong form of information, or they are getting a lot of noise and a lot of fluff around. But when you get a coach does two things. Number one is they're going to show you exactly what you can do out there to make it happen. And number two, they are going to build your self-belief. They let you know they believe in you. You know, my coach was like, listen, you can do this. There are people actually doing this. And he built so much belief in me that I believed I could do that, hit the income level I was looking for. So that helped in the sense that I could now believe more in myself. And the biggest part is believe. Once you can believe that is doable, and once you've got somebody standing in your corner, cheering you on and telling you, like, listen, you can do this, just keep going, just keep going. Sometimes we don't know, we can't see the journey we're making until somebody who can see a bigger overview can tell you, you're doing great, keep going. And that's what happened to me. Until I got enough success to create my own coaching program, and today we've got some students that we help. So if you're actually thinking that, okay, how do I actually increase my income? It's been on the same thing for a very long time. Chances are you probably need a coach or somebody that's going to teach you what to do to take it to the next level. So think about it. The number two mistake I was making was not working with anybody or not having a coach showing me the way around. In fact, I wish somebody had told me in the beginning, because if I knew in the beginning that a coach would help speed my progress, I would have just gone straight for a coach. I've gone get a job, make enough money, pay this guy to teach me exactly what to do. And I believe that if you implement this in your business or in your lifestyle, it will change your business for good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.